Sylvia from My Kitchen Creations. If you're new here, welcome. If not, welcome back. On today's episode, we're making wonton soup because I'm feeling under the weather. I'm not feeling that great. So this soup right here is the perfect soup to help soothe my throat. If you're not feeling good or your family member is not feeling good, you want to try this soup. It's also anti-inflammatory. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. I have some bok choy here that I like to go in and basically just chop the end. And I like to spread this, and what I'm going to do is basically pull these out. As you can see, these are the pieces I will be keeping, and I'm going to put them in a strainer. And I will be throwing these pieces away because they have some browning to them and we don't need to eat those. So after placing them in your strainer, go ahead and run them through some cold water to get them nice and clean. Over a medium heat in a large pot or Dutch oven, add your sesame oil. Add your ginger and your minced garlic. Now give that a stir, and we're going to cook this for about a minute until it has a nice fragrance. After a minute, add your chicken stock. Add your soy sauce. Now allow this to come to a boil. Now that it is boiling, go in with your bok choy. Mushroom. And your frozen wontons. Give that a stir. Turn your heat up to medium-high and simmer for 15 minutes. This is how it's looking after 15 minutes. So now go in with your green onions. Turn off your heat. Give that a stir. And this should take us to the end of our recipe. Hello guys, so my wonton soup is ready. I did went and add some chili garlic sauce to it. If you'd like this soup to be a little spicy, you can also add some chopped jalapenos. Guys, I am ready to go enjoy my soup. Thank you so much for cooking with me today, and I'll catch you guys later.